Today's January 23rd, 2019, and this is episode 22 of PlaneSavers. Good morning, everybody. It is January. You know what? I don't even know what day it is. I lost track. I do know this is episode 22 of PlaneSavers. Good morning to everybody in the UK. Good afternoon to everybody in North America, South America, and everywhere else in Australia. What time is it? Let me know in the comments, Australia. What time does this come out for you guys? Interested to know. Today, what is today? Wednesday? I think today's Wednesday. So it's 35 below Celsius, 31 degrees Fahrenheit out today. It is cold, cold, cold. So hopefully wherever in the world you are, you're warm today. What do we got here taking off? Oh, that was a Dornier. That was a Dornier ruining the sound today. It's kind of a tradition now, but that's all in good fun. So I want to show you guys a little update inside. I'm starting to build up PlaneSavers Studios, which is just a name for my desk, really. But yeah, I'm making up a spot so I can easily and betterly, if that's the word, make you guys videos. So here's the area here. This is kind of where we're going. I'm using my company, MacBook Air, but a few episodes ago I put out a request for an iMac, and luckily someone got back to me. They'll be sending me an iMac. I'm pretty excited, which will help me, make everything move quicker. But back to that. Here we got. This is where I did the title sequence this morning. PlaneSaver hats. These are, really high quality, good hats. PlaneSavers, and they're snapbacks. The only difference is mine's gray up here, and that's black. A little bit cooler. So guys, I'm going to put 100 hats in the Airways store, link down below. More are coming. These are just the first batch I got. We're also getting t-shirts, so if you're going to want a t-shirt and a hat, I would suggest holding off. But right now, 100 hats in the store, and more are coming soon. Very soon. Like at the end of the week, like only a few more days. But if you want a hat and you only want a hat, grab one now. Sega Genesis with the best video game of all time, NHL 94, CRT TV, my D-Day poster, the DC-3 explanation. This actually comes up almost every day now. It's pretty handy. Some knickknacks. My Simpsons corner. All this stuff was sent to me by Simpsons Tattoo on Instagram. My little Thanos corner here with my Thanos copters. Godzilla here eating a little airplane. Big shout out to my Australian buddies. Chopper. One of my biggest regrets is not being able to meet this guy. Sadly, he passed away. The Bruce Dickinson action figure, the Buffalo Joe custom action figure that I made. I might be throwing that up on eBay soon. All the title cards, more NHL 94, bunch of books, a signed letter from Walter Day, Power Glove, a whole bunch of other cool stuff. Yeah, so that's kind of PlaneSavers Studio. We're just going to slowly build it up, and this is where I'm going to be making the videos for you guys. Okay, folks, so I've been getting some fan mail and stuff, but I really wanted to show you. I got a nice letter from France. So Lauren from France, or Laurent from France, thank you for the letter. This is coming from Robbie in New Brunswick, and I haven't opened it yet. I opened the top here. Here's my box 2. That's our Yellowknife hangar address. And I saw this, and I was like, "Oh, I gotta do an unboxing because this is going to be pretty cool." So I want to show you guys. So, what do we have here? Wow, look at this. That's a 3D printed CL415 with buffalo colors. Oh, custom buffalo. Big thank you to Robbie in New Brunswick for sending that to me. That is so cool. That's going in the PlaneSavers Studio. One thing, I get a lot of people making requests on how to help out with the project and everything. And there's the eBay stuff, there's the merchandise. But one thing I need is just little teeny weeny things. So I actually set up an Amazon wish list which is in the description. Check it out. There's, you know, items like small items like pens and pencils and cables to bigger items like a new GoPro. Yeah, so if you want ways to help out the project, check out the Amazon link down below. But again, you don't have to. Just by the fact you watching this video is helping out. So just your time is valuable to the project. And enough of that stuff. Let's go back to airplanes. I'm going to go find my father. I actually don't know the first DC-3 he flew, so that's a question I have. I'm going to go find him and ask him, what is the first DC-3 you've flown, and what is the first DC-3 you've flown commercially? I think I know the answer. So, Dad, we're standing here in the museum.
Not a museum, it's in my terminal. It's not a museum.
Well, people call it the museum. Look at all the nice stuff around. But the one question that actually I don't even know the answer to, what was your first DC-3 you ever flown? Where was it? What was the registration?
Well, the first one I had my hands on was JWP coming in from Snowdrift on a barge when I was 16 years old riding in it.
So Joe actually owned JWP. It was in Red Deer, and he sold it to Basler with actually the same time as our parts bird. And it's off to get turbinized and live a longer life.
I guess the first one we flew, 1969, Al Laurie and Harry Beerfield checked me out in a DC-3 in Whitehorse CPY. And that was April of 69, so a month after next, that's 50 years ago.
50 years ago, eh? Oh. What was the history? Do you know any history of CPY?
Well, CPY was a Canadian Pacific airplane, but it had been on that Whitehorse, Mayo, Dawson run for 25 years, I think, when I got to it, because I remember looking in a terminal in Dawson City. It had been landing there forever and ever and ever. And everybody in Yukon had either flown on it or in it. And so it's in its rightful place now as a monument on the Whitehorse Airport. When it was abandoned in 1970 from Great Northern Airways, I tried to buy it for parts, and I'm glad that I got the parts, but I'm glad they put the fuselage up on the terminal as a wind vane on it. It's very well known airplane. Anybody that flew in the Yukon, we had it on skis, and it was a very nice airplane, but everybody knows that airplane, so it's in its rightful spot. Well, in 1970, Great Northern ceased doing business, and it was sitting without its engines on it, and nobody was going to put it together and fly it away. So I thought I'd do it, but instead the Whitehorse Flying Club, under direction of Joe Muff, and it was quite an undertaking and very, very well done. I respect him for that.
So the thousands of people who are DC-3 fans that have seen CPY probably don't know the fact that that was your first airplane that you flew commercially as a DC-3 pilot, eh?
Oh yeah, that's the first one. Yeah, I remember the days very well of Danny Briza and Harry Beerfield trying to teach me how to fly it. George Landry was teaching me, Joe Langlois was teaching me. And, I was a slow learner, but eventually I caught on to it. I really liked it. Those guys worked really hard to get me on it.
Well, hopefully you guys liked that little story from my father about his first DC-3 he ever flew. And because you guys have been so good and so patient, I'm going to do something that you guys have been asking for. I'm going to show you inside of the Lockheed Electra. It's a little dark here right now. Let me get my flashlight. There, look at it. So here we are. The Electra's inside for a seat check. And you guys wanted to see the cockpit. Let's see what we can find here. So there you guys go. There's the cockpit of Electra. Just a quick taste of stuff that we could do. Holy smokes. So hope you guys liked that quick cockpit tour. It wasn't very good, it was dark. But look at this, oh, look at who I see. Look at this. This is Chuck's jacket. Do we see Chuck anywhere? Oh, who's that walking there? Let's go see. Chucky.
Yeah.
You know, the people of the internet been waiting for you.
Have they now?
Yeah, look,
well,
you guys.
As you can see, I'm still alive and I'm here, man.
There he is. There's Chuck.
Yeah.
So I just showed them probably the worst electric cockpit tour imaginable.
Yeah, Probably, because you don't really know what's going on up there, do you?
Dude, does anybody?
Not really.
Right on. So, how about, not today. The video's already over today.
Okay.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, come get me tomorrow, and I'll take you up in the cockpit, and I'll explain the differences between the Herc and the L188, because they're both Lockheed products, right? Which is the better one?
Yeah,
Well, they're both kind of equal.
Yeah?
They both serve their purposes very well. But we'll talk about that.
Sound good. Really quickly, what kind of engine's on here?
That's an Allison 501D13.
Now, the Herc's got the same engines, but upside down.
Yeah, it's the same engine upside down, but it's producing a little bit more horsepower. Okay?
Yeah?
Because these are rated at 2750. Herc's 4,000. Rated 4,000. You can get 4,000 out of these in the wintertime. Not in summertime.
Cool. And for everybody, how do you like your coffee?
Strong. Okay? If I don't have my coffee, I get grumpy.
Well, Chuck, it's good seeing you finally on here.
Yeah.
It's episode 22.
Episode 22, really,
Yeah.
eh?
Have you seen it yet?
The airplane?
The PlaneSavers.
Yeah, I've seen a couple of them, yeah. And I've also seen the airplane. You're missing a couple parts, but not too bad.
You think you can? You want to come to Montreal?
Well, we're going to have to.
Me, you, Uncle Ronnie.
Uncle Ronnie, who else coming?
Well, we'll get Jay Caldwell.
Rod coming?
Rod's coming. Maybe Curtis Dyson.
Okay.
Get the whole crew back. It'd be like the movie Armageddon. You know, where they have to get everybody to go destroy the asteroid.
Well, we do that every day. Okay.
Yeah, we do.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
There you go, guys.
Okay.
There's Chucky.
Gonna watch my language. Sorry
Yeah,
about that.
watch the language.
See you guys later. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Me and Mikey are going to go on an electric tour and cockpit. Okay, you take care, brothers.
So, folks, you heard it first. I gave you the crappy electric cockpit tour, but tomorrow, we know how this goes. Fingers crossed. Chucky, if he's up for it, that's a big promise because this is live. You know, I'm shooting this. I'm walking to edit this right now and to upload it. So, okay, before I finish the episode, I just want to give a couple shout outs. 6-year-old Amelia in Northern Ireland. Hello, thanks for watching the show. Tell your dad I say hi. And Stan at the U.S. Coast Guard, who works on the C-144s. Yeah, hopefully he gets back to work soon. Hopefully you're enjoying the episode. And yeah, let's just get right back into it. I don't know what tomorrow has to bring, but or what tomorrow can bring. But if Chucky promises, I think Chucky's going to deliver. We're going to get you a tour. And yeah, hope you like today's episode. Reminder, the hats, there's 100 hats, link below. Amazon wish list, link below. And big thank you to Patrick Jacobson for letting me use the pictures of CPY that he took. He's got a Grapes of Wrath concert coming here, Yellowknife. So if you need Yellowknife, buy some tickets for the concert, support Patrick. And yeah, see you guys in the next episode.